Let's build a basic calculator by using Python. Start by defining 4 arithmetic functions that take in 2 numbers and either add, subtract, multiply, or divide them. Our calculator will use these methods to implement its 4 functionalities. Defining the main method, we create a while true statement and print the options, which include entering add for addition, subtract for subtraction, multiply for multiplication, divide for division, and quit if the user wants to end the program. First, we take in the user input, and if the user puts in quit, we go ahead and break from the while loop. Elif, we know it's one of these 4 functions. So what we can actually do is create a dictionary where we map the user input to the actual functions. So the add string will map to the actual add function, similarly for subtract, multiply, and divide. So we can check if the user input is in the operation dictionary. So what we do is go ahead and grab number 1 and number 2 by asking them to enter the first number and enter the second number. We set the operation to the value of the user input key, so now the variable operation actually refers to a method. For example, add, and we can actually call it on number 1 and number 2. Then we can print the result. Otherwise, we just go ahead and print invalid input since it wasn't any of those functions. Let's go ahead and run the program, and it looks like we got an error somewhere in line 8. So let's fix that. Run the program again, and now we can put add and put 9 and 2, and we get 11. And we can go ahead and call divide on 10 and 2, and we get 5. Let's put a funky operation like square root. Well, we can see that the invalid input shows because that's not a function. And then we can also put in quit, and we exit the program.